the bully.
Or tell a teacher an adult.
You can change someone's life by doing it.
Stop the gossiping, stop the bullying,
And make the world better.
It doesn't matter what you look like.
Or how many followers you have.
Or what group you hang out with.
We all walk on the same ground.
And breathe the same air. We all have hopes and dreams.
So next time you think about bullying,
Don't. And remember, we're all blood brothers.
We're all blood, we're all blood brothers.
That's it. Maybe I need some help. I should text a tip. Text a tip.
If you know someone who's constantly being harassed, have them tell someone. We stand for the strange and the lonely.
And that Superman guy, he seemed pretty nice.
Text the tip, 657-200-TEXT. I repeat, that's 657-200-TEXT.
I believe there's a better place. I don't know if the sky is heaven, but I pray anyway. And I don't know what tomorrow brings. The
Bullying's not right.
Some people even get to the point where they kill themselves over bullying.
Bullying doesn't just affect the person being bullied, it also affects the people around them as well.
For some, this is a very emotional experience. If the situation was reversed, would you like it?
Remember to stand up for yourself and do the right thing. Bullying really does hurt people's feelings, but you have the power to stop it.
Stop bullying!
And I wanna try to touch a few hearts in this light, nothing less than something that said I was
did you know harassments and threats online are illegal?
Cyberbullying is the use of different technologies to embarrass, harass, or ridicule a person.
Cyberbullying can be a former friend, classmate, or a total stranger.
Cyberbullying happens through social media and through text messages.
Think twice.
Before you